guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. This video we are going to talk about the stochastic indicator for the Bitcoin to know the price of the Bitcoin, like temporarily or probably on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, whether it is the right time to buy the Bitcoin or whether it is the right time to sell the Bitcoin. We have already covered in the previous video the RSI indicator and Fibonacci extension indicator, and this one, stochastic, is also one of the indicator, one of the great indicator. Just imagine you have a stochastic indicator as well as RSI as well as Fibonacci. When you combine all these, like, you have the most accurate signal whether to get into the trade, whether to get out of the trade, and that is how the traders out there are making a killing within the market. Like, they're making profit whether the market is going up, whether the market is going down. That is the reason I wanted to convey to my audience. So let's jump onto the charts, and I'm going to quickly show you the specific role of stochastic indicator, as well as you can even check my other videos, the previous videos related with the RSI as well as Fibonacci extension video. It is definitely going to help you to avoid riding the downtrend. Whenever Bitcoin is on the downfall, every other coin is on the downfall. So we do not want to ride the downfall, especially with the altcoins within the Bitcoin. So right now, as you can see, like probably 2 months back, it went to the height of $48,000, and then eventually, right now, we are sitting in the abyss, $29,000. Everyone's talking about like further downfall and so much of the things happening. So you need to go to the trading view, and the link I have mentioned down below in the video description. Make sure you click that link, sign up for the free trial. It's 30-day free trial. After that, it's $14 per month. But you take the free trial and see for yourself. If you find the value, if it is actually helping you making more money, that's when you can start affording $14 per month for the respective service. So right now, what I have done, like, okay, you just simply open the BTC USDT chart, and then the indicator that you want to open is the stochastic, STOC, and you get the stochastic indicator. So you can watch it on a daily basis, hourly basis, and every other time frame, like even though on the weekly basis. So let me just show you from the daily basis perspective. First of all, as you can see, just the way RSI works, like whenever it is at the top, that means we are nearly into the overbought zone. So a stochastic will eventually need to cool down, and after a certain point of, maybe it's temporary correction. So within an uptrend, like this was the uptrend, right? Within the bull market, it was like the price was coming from 15,000, 16,000, 20,000, 30,000. It went up to 64,000. So within the uptrend, when we are having the high, that means we are forming the high, and the next one will be the low. But the next one will be higher high and then the higher low. So from here, that we can simply say this is the higher point. Like the stochastic is into the overbought zone, and obviously within the bull market, the pump keeps on happening in the overbought zone. So at this point of time, let's say somebody would have probably thought of trading the short term. So they could have sold at these point of times, right? And if they would have sold at these point of times, the stochastic, after a certain number of days, it would have fallen down. And once it has fallen down, that means the price is also fallen from 41,000 to 30,000, right? That's like 25% decline of the price. And then, it is at the bottom. So right now the bull market is going on, definitely time to get back in. Or maybe you start dollar cost, you never know if it will go to bottom. It might just reach over here, and then further, like it may climb up from here itself. So you want to dollar cost average. You dollar cost average till this point. And then the next thing the further pump has happened. And here it is, the higher high. That means this is the sign of a bull market, this is the sign of an uptrend we all want to ride. Similarly, at the uptrend, as you can see, at the peak, probably somebody can sell. As the stochastic starts to fall down, again, it cooled off a little bit. So from $57,000 to $42,000. That's pretty big sum of amount. Like that's 30% approximately. Similarly, like it keeps on happening over and over. But then at a certain point of time, like the trend reverses. I've already showed you guys like how do you identify the trend reversal with the Fibonacci extension in the previous videos. Make sure you watch it. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. This channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. Again, so at this point of time, this is at the higher end, but this is the lower high. That's when you know that this became like almost the double top, and then this one is the low, and then this became the lower low, and then this became the lower high. That's when you know that the downtrend is about to happen. That's when, like, at the Fibonacci lesson that I gave, it's better to get out altogether whenever you see the lower high. But at the same time, this stochastic indicator, this is going to go down, and the moment it goes completely down, that means even you are down, even in your downtrend, but eventually you are going to get a relief bounce. So from $29,000 to $42,000 eventually at the top. Again, if you sell it, it is going to come down over here, as you can see, 29,000. So even within this accumulation phase, or like such kind of phase, this was happening, like up and down. And similarly, the uptrend happened at the peak, again at the downfall. So this is also one of the indicator. Apart from, the good part about this particular indicator, that it actually tells you beforehand. So this is at the bottom. That means even before the RSI, you can combine it with RSI with the Fibonacci extension. You know that something is coming, even if that's not a sustainable bounce, but the relief bounce is coming. So this indicator is also very, very useful. So currently, as you can see, it just coin fell down to 26,600. That's when we knew, like, we are almost at the bottom. We will get a, yes, might be just a lower high, just a like little bit of relief bounce, but we are going to get a relief bounce. At this point of time, you never know whether it is further going to come down, or from here it is going to come up. That's like the choppy side of a thing. It's neither like a complete slow bear market going on, a complete bull market going on. It's just a markdown phase, like everything is just falling apart. So this is also one of the indicators that is very much helpful for everyone. Similarly, you can do it on probably 4 hourly basis, just try to see, like, in the short term you want to make a trade on an hourly basis. Every time it goes up, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. At the top, it has to come down, and then at the bottom, if you buy, again it has to come up. Even if it is lower high, but it is following the trend line, as you can see, a difference of like $2,000-$3,000, but it is following the trend line. So this stochastic indicator is also very, very helpful for everyone. So you combine it with the stochastic, and then you combine it with the RSI, you combine it with the Fib channel. Just imagine, you have a great recipe. Like, you can confirm it with the RSI indicator, you confirm it with the Fibonacci indicator. You have a great indicator to be knowing when to get out, when to get in. Again, guys, I hope you found the video helpful. Please ensure you hit the subscribe button if you do. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all our subscribers. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below for the best part of this video, and what did you learn? What are your suggestions? Any kind of thing you would want me to cover in the future? Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video.